Music 6, 4th quarter lesson 2. Demonstrate the different kinds of tempo by following tempo marks in a song from the community. For example, Pandanguhan. Hello there, my name is Teacher Rhen. Before we start on our lesson, let us review on what we have learned in the past lesson about dynamics. Draw a symbol for each dynamic terms. Now let us check. Good job! If you got all the correct answers. Now let's proceed to our lesson. What is tempo? The word tempo means rate or speed. In other words, it's how fast or slow something is happening. If you walk, you are moving at a slow tempo. If you run, you are moving at a faster tempo. While tempo is described or indicated in many ways, including with a range of words, it is typically measured in beats per minute (BPM). By using metronome. A metronome is a device that produces an audible click or other sound at a regular interval that can be set by the user, typically in beats per minute. Here is the sample of Filipino folk song with different tempo.
Manunugtog ay nangagpasimula at nangagsayaw na ang mga mutya sa mga padyak para mag-iiba. Ang bawat tapakan ng mga papya kung pagmamasdan ay nakatutuwa. Ang iyong hilig ay hindi nawawala, tunay na hinahangaan ng mata. Ang sayaw nitong ating inang bansa. Dahil sa ikaw, mutiyang paraluman, walang singganda sa dagat silangan. Mahal na hiyas ang puso mo hirang, ang pag-ibig mo'y kay hirap kamtan. Kung hindi taos ay mabibigo sa mga pagsuling inaalay. Kung hindi taos ay mabibigo sa mga pagsuling inaalay. Halina aking mahal, ligaya ko ay ikaw. Kapag di ka natatanaw, ang buhay ko ay namamanglaw. Halina aking mahal, ligaya ko ay ikaw. Kapag di ka natatanaw, ang buhay ko ay namamanglaw. Kung may pista sa aming bayan, ang lahat ay nagdiriwang. May litson bawat tahanan, may gaya pati simbahan. Paglabas ni Santa Mariang Mahal, kami ay taos na nagdarasal. Prosesyon dito ay nagdaraan, kung kaya kami ay nag-aabang. May tumutugtog at may sumasayaw, meron sa galak ay napapasigaw. Ang pista sa bayan namin ay ganyan, ang saya'y di na walang katapusan. Manunugtog ay nangagpasimula at nangagsayaw na ang mga mutya sa mga padyak parang mag-iiba. Ang bawat tapakan ng mga papya kung pagmamasdan ay nakatutuwa. Ang himhiling ay hindi nawawala, tunay na hinahangaan ng mata. Ang sayaw itong ating inang bansa.
Here follows a list of common tempo markings. The beats per minute values are very rough approximations for 4/4 time. Largo, very slowly and broad, 40 to 58 BPM. Adagio, slow, 60 to 76 BPM. Andante, walking speed, 80 to 106 bpm. Moderato, moderate pace, 108 to 118 bpm. Allegro, fast, cheerful, 120 to 168 bpm. Presto, very fast, 170 to 220 bpm. Now, let's do the practice activity. Direction: study the scrambled letters and rearrange to form the word that is being described. Number 1. This tempo means moderate speed. The answer is moderato. Number 2. This tempo means very fast. The answer is presto. Number 3. This tempo means very slowly and broad. The answer is largo. Number 4. This tempo means slow and stately. The answer is adagio. Number 5. This tempo means fast and cheerful. The answer is allegro. Good job. Always remember, musical composition becomes livelier, more expressive, and meaningful because of tempo. Tempo is another expressive element of music that defines the speed rate of musical composition. The speed rate of musical composition can be slow, moderate, fast, in between or in changing speed. Okay, now, let us check what you have learned our lesson by answering the assessment. Direction: choose the letter of the correct answer. Let's check if you got the correct answers. Good job. You're doing a great job today, kids. Happy learning. See you on our next lesson. God bless.